So this is Southern Florida and winter is coming, and we absolutely love life out here in our lanai, but it definitely gets a little cool in the evenings. The sun's starting to go down, it's starting to get a little cooler, and I was looking for something beautiful to be on the table as a space heater. Not your conventional just like space heater sitting on the table. We spend a lot of time to make our backyard look beautiful, and I was offered the opportunity to do a review of this Star patio heater, which is this brushed bronze look, which is absolutely beautiful. And I was like, yeah, send it to me, I'll do the review for you. I've got to give Star Patio a ton of credit. They said, we'll send it to you, you set it up, you use it, you tell the people what you think, which is what I am doing now. And I will tell you, number one, let's start with, it passes the Nikki high stress beauty quadrant, where it is this brushed bronze look, which is absolutely fabulous. It has actually this safety surround here is almost like a felt. It doesn't look like a tinny metal, even like a tinny black. It's like this cool felt. Obviously you can see it only has one element inside, which is fully cooking right now. It makes 5100 BTUs, which, let me tell you, that is warm even sitting over here, and it radiates it around. There's no fan. It's just centrally located in there and open in all directions so it can spread out that heat. And oh boy, it is definitely cooking. This is so nice and so perfect. Let's look at our table here, this nice wood table, and we want to be out here, enjoy each other's company, maybe have dinner, share some drinks, stories, that kind of stuff. And we just put it in the center of the table, turn it on, it looks attractive, and everybody can be nice and toasty even in the winter. In any case, I'm going to give this an absolute full-throated 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This is both beautiful and functional at the same time. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.